Listen, I appreciate you coming in for a yacht insurance quote. We're a lot different than most insurance agencies who do boat and yacht insurance, or the mainline companies like State Farm or any of those multi-line insurance carriers. We focus primarily on boat and yacht insurance. So we have about a little bit more. We're not just going to ask you a few basic questions. We have a minimum 20 question fact finder that we want to know about your boat and how it's used more importantly. We don't believe that one policy fits all, so we have over 20 companies in our office that we try to quote through all these carriers. Some don't apply to every boat, but at the very least, the majority of our carriers will look at your boat and give us a quote. We base it on your experience, your past claims history, any classes you've taken, and more importantly, valuation and where and when you use your boat. So it's real important to decipher and be clear on these items. So first things first, I'm going to find out about is obviously what did you pay for the boat originally? Not what you think the market is, not what you think you can get for the boat if we try to sell it for you. What did you pay for the boat? Now, we can thank Hurricane Sandy for this, because what the insurance company started to do was they were asking for agreed valuation policies based upon your true investment in the boat. So if you paid $100,000 for the boat and you put $20,000 worth of electronics in it, the boat's worth $120,000, regardless of the fact that you could sell that boat for $150,000, $180,000 or less. It's what you invested in the boat. So the insurance companies are going to rate you based upon what you paid for the boat, because that's 80% of your premium, and what you have invested in the boat. It doesn't matter what the boat could be sold for. Frankly, you can't really insure the boat for that amount. There are some carriers, I will tell you, that will do market value, but to be blunt, you're overpaying your premium because there's no reason to overinsure the boat. Our job is to protect the VIN number or the hull ID number of that boat and your true investment. So in the event of a total loss, you're made whole. That's the key to here. It's not that you can go buy another boat. This is not a replacement cost policy. The only kind of replacement cost policies that we see are homeowners insurance, because it's appreciating assets, or if the boat is brand new, we have some carriers that will give us total replacement cost coverage for the first year or two only. After that, it doesn't matter. Again, a lot of people make that decision or that mistake, frankly, that you can overinsure the boat. For some strange reason, the insurance companies don't like it when you make a profit on them, because technically that's what you'd be doing. So let's do the basics first. Let's figure out what you paid for the boat. Don't include maintenance. Maintenance is a required item, so that doesn't increase the value of your boat. But upgrades, canvas, electronics, any interior work. If you replaced engines, it's very important to let us know that. So those are the items that are going to come into the base amount of what we consider the insurable value of the boat. We'll get into more coverages later on.